Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Ryan, Reyes, and Pappy Show. We have the best monster trucks in the world. ¿Verdad, Ryan? Okay, get out of... Come on. We're gonna show them monster truck number 1. To the field, baby. Show them. Wow. Ese es glow in the dark. Monster truck number 2. Show them monster truck number 2. Wow. This is Harley Quinn. And we have monster truck number 3. The Taxi, baby. How? ¿Cómo hace? ¿Cómo hace Bumblebee? A ver. Pero ahí, para que te vean. Muéstrate. ¿Cómo hace? Yeah, baby. We have monster truck number 4. The Cheetah. ¿Cómo hace? Vroom, vroom, vroom. That one's super fast. That one's the best. Okay. Muéstrale la cámara aquí para que te vea así. Baby, let's do it. Wow, that one flies too. That one flies. And we're gonna go with monster truck number 4. Number 5. This was a little one, but it's the powerful one. It's called Fire Monster. Look at that one. Willie, baby. And then monster truck number 6. The Beast. The Escalator. And we're gonna go. This is the best one. It's called the Glow in the Dark Machine. There you go. Out of here. And we have no other. The one, the only, look at those teeth, baby. Look at those teeth. We have the Chain Gang. Welcome to the Chain Gang. And we have the best one, the most famous one. The one you can't get rid of. Because it's always there. Gravedigger. Gravedigger. And we have this one. This one's just security. For security purposes. He's here to move the trucks around. Make sure they're in the correct place. But we're going to present them anyways. We got the champion. Oh. We got the Green Machine. We got the Green Machine. And this one knows how to do flips. Look at this. Woo, baby. Ho! We could have missed it. The Joker. The Joker. Thank you, guys. And we still got more coming. We have Chloe, the mean, the most dangerous dog. Woof, woof, woof. Yeah, woof, woof. And we have none other than Ninja Turtle. Get out of here. We have no other than Ninja Turtle, baby. Donatello. This one knows how to fight. Because it's a ninja. Whoa, 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 whoa. And that's Race Ace. This one knows how to do wheelies. Thank you guys. And that's the last one. Thank you guys so much for your time. And we'll see you again next episode on the Ryan Reyes Show. Goodbye.